Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Follow this simple guide to gain easy access to your crypto assets. Step 1. Open your web browser or app. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or launching the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to the Coinbase website or app. If you're using a web browser, type in the URL www.coinbase.com. If you're using the app, simply locate it on your device and tap to open. Step 3. Click on the Sign In button. Once you're on the Coinbase homepage, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the website or prominently featured in the app. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. A sign-in page will appear. Enter the email address associated with your Coinbase account in the designated field. Step 5. Click on Continue. After entering your email, click on the Continue button to move forward to the next step. Step 6. Check your email for a verification code. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Visit your email inbox, locate the email from Coinbase, and copy the verification code provided. Step 7. Enter the verification code. Return to the Coinbase sign-in page and paste or type the verification code into the appropriate field. Step 8. Click on Sign In. Once you've entered the verification code, click on the Sign In button to complete the login process. Step 9. Enable two-factor authentication. Optional. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable this feature if desired. Step 10. Access your account. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your Coinbase account. You can now view your portfolio, trade cryptocurrencies, and manage your assets securely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more crypto-related content.